Hi everybody, this is Chingus. Now I've been getting a lot of questions about Chingus, you carry a revolver all the time, sometimes. So what's your preferred method of reloading? Well, YouTube, that's a very good question. Now you got what? 3 options. You can do loose ammo in your pocket, like so. Do a speed loader in your pocket, maybe a holster. It's up to you. I don't know. Or speed strip. So which one do I use? Well, why don't we take a look at our options and then you decide what I use. But I already decided what I use. I already know what I use. So first off, here's some examples. Loose pocket ammo reload. Go. I'm out. I'm out. Five. Okay. Now check out the speed loader. Now I'm out. Five. I'm out. Five. Finally, we come to speed strip. Check it out. I'm out. I'm out. Five. You be the judge. Well, after that experiment, you tell I prefer speed strip. Although I like the speed loader if I may have a little more practice with it, but I don't practice. Speed strip is slower, but I think it's easier not to fumble. This one you can lose some rounds, whatever. This one, I guess you could drop this and lose some rounds, but whatever. I still think that was easier than this, but you get this right, a whole lot faster. Now what about carrying it? Well, this slip right in your pocket, easy. It's better than carrying loose around in your pocket that jumble around and some might be turned one way, some might be turned the other way. Make it hard to reload. overall, gotta go with speed strip. And like, Chingus, what's your credential? Why you giving us information? Been into a lot of shootouts with this thing. Had to put some people down. To be frank, I'm just a badass with this pistol. Make a 1-inch group, 50 yards with this bad boy. So what? Easy. Just shoot. But that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Tell a friend. Yeah, I know you see my technique and you be say like, hey man, I think I've seen that technique before. It's true, because a very well-known YouTube personality, Paul Harrell, is actually my mentor, and he taught me everything I need to know about shooting a revolver like this. Taught me how to shoot 1-inch groups at 50 yards. Taught me the best way to reload. And then I do other things, so I do it. That's why I learned it. Mentor.